So we're going to boil our corn, potatoes, and eggs in this. We're going to add lemon pepper, paprika, and chili powder. Creole season, of course. Okay, we're going to stir this up. Get this water boiling so we can add our corn, potatoes, and eggs. Hey guys, so we have washed our corn off. Now we're going to add them to the pot. I have a lot because my family likes corn. Okay. As we add our corn, we have our eggs. Now guys, after your eggs boil, you are going to want to peel them and put them in your seafood bowl whole. Peel them without the shell, so the flavor will sink in. You cannot taste the flavor. Okay guys, we have our corn, eggs. Now we're fixing to add some potatoes. Whole bunch of red potatoes. Yes. Now we are going to put the pot on. Top on the pot. We are going to add broccoli to our seafood bowl. But we're going to let this cook first. And you know, broccoli don't take long. So after this simmers some, then we'll throw this in. And we're getting ready to cut up our onion to start our sauce. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to cut up our onion to start our sauce. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to start our sauce. So we're going to add butter to our pan. Now, I like to saute my onions. I do not like hard onion. Okay, so we have started our onion first. Let them saute. I don't like crunchy onion. Most people do. I don't. So this is how we start our sauce. Guys, so we're gonna get a teaspoon chili powder, teaspoon lemon pepper, teaspoon of oregano. Now this is for our sauce, okay? Now this is how we make our sauce. However you make your sauce, do you. Paprika, some brown sugar. Now I like to use seasoned brown sugar and regular brown sugar. So it's a teaspoon. Okay. Now we're gonna stir it up. Okay guys, now that we have our season mixed up, we're gonna add it to our onions and butter. Now this is our sauce for our seafood bowl. Like I said, however you make it, that's fine. But this is what we do. Ooh, that looks good. Okay guys, so I took my egg out to check it. Took one, don't take all of them out. And as you can see, it is ready. So we are getting ready to take all our other eggs out, and we are going to peel them and get them ready to go in the oven with the rest of our stuff. Hey guys, so most of the time I try to have something green because I have kids and we all love vegetables. So now that this is almost ready, broccoli, so I'm gonna take 15 minutes. If that. I have 2 bags, not much, but enough. Okay. So we're going to stir this up. We took all our eggs out. Just cook going to let this broccoli cook about 10 minutes. And then after that, we're going to take all of this out and put it in our pan. Guys, I forgot to tell y'all to add Worcester sauce and ginger. I've already added mine, so just make sure you don't forget that, okay? Okay guys, I am going to season my shrimp first before I add them. Not too much because you still have the sauce. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and add these. No, shrimp don't take that long. So I'm going to add that. Still have to go in the oven, guys. So I put them in, but I'm actually getting ready to pull everything out and put it in my pan. And we got our pan, so we're going to take some juice like this. Now remember, add your shrimp when you know it's about to be done. Now, let's go ahead. Good and tender. Ooh, good and tender. Now I am going to cook my crab legs in this. So I will drain it and get everything out after my crab legs are finished. Okay guys, I cut my sausage up. I'm going to add them. We all know sausages need to be warmed up. We are using Eckrich Link because my kids love Eckrich Link. If this is for anybody else, I would use Renfro or Zumos. And we're going to add our king crabs to the water. Don't forget to rinse them off. Now, only for a little bit because we still have to cook it in the oven, okay? I mean, just look at them. Woo! Yummy. And just let them boil for a few. Okay, guys. We're getting ready to take these out. You want to make sure you keep your hands washed. You never know when you have to touch something. Okay guys, we are getting ready to add our sauce. Guys, make sure you pour it evenly. Get all this on there. Now we pour on top and we make more to dip it in, okay? there you have it.